Long ago, people knew very little. They did not know how to farm, make tools, or weave cloth.
All the wisdom in the world belonged to Nyame, the god of heaven. He kept it in a clay pot.
One day, Nyame gave the pot of wisdom to Anansi the spider. Each time Anansi looked into the pot, he learned something new.
He tried to hide the pot by climbing high into a tree.
A child below suggested tying the pot to his back.
Anansi was furious that a child had been wiser than him. In anger, he threw the pot down. It shattered, and wisdom escaped. That is how people learn to farm, make clothes, work iron, and live wisely.